Hi and welcome back. So here is the APU board all plugged into the rest of the board stack. So we've got the APU board here with the user port board plus a little timing fix on a breadboard there. We have the huge, great big audio board right here. Then we have the scaled sprites board, the normal sprites board. We then have got the tiles board, and then the character board, and then of course the video generation board. I'm just going to, let's turn on the whole board stack, and we are getting 60 watts of power being used. Okay, so let's switch away from the Commodore 64 display and go back to the board stack, and let's see what we've got. Nothing's shorting out right now, which is a good sign. Okay, this is good. This is uninitialized display memory. Let's close the lid a little bit. So I'm going to run the Demo 9 audio uploader, which will test these speakers here. There we go. Okay, that's a good first test. I'm very glad that everything is still working as intended. In this demo, this is just a display. It's a very simple display demo, and there's no APU code running. The APU is being disabled, but there is the audio hardware. We can hear now that the audio hardware is generating quite nice music, which is always nice to hear. Okay, I'm going to reset the Commodore 64 now. There we go. Alright, so the Commodore 64, I've already uploaded a Shadow of the Beast demo, so I'm going to start that. So this is from the Amiga. Let's go into the game. All of the music, which you can hear now. If I move left and right, there you go, the parallax scrolling works. So the music is converted from the Amiga. It's converted to fit within the 64 kilobytes of memory which is available on the audio board here. The parallax scrolling, the palette effect going down the screen that we have here. I can see a few glitches. I'm going to have to investigate those, but yes, the parallax scrolling, the palette effect going down the sky, sprite multiplexing, so we use normal sprites for the main character down here. We also use normal sprites for the blimps that are coming across in the top left and the top right, and moon as well in the background is also a bunch of sprites, so we're using more sprites by multiplexing them using the APU. The APU is basically looking for different raster positions as it goes down the screen, and also it can latch the horizontal pixel positions as well, and it just changes the hardware registers as it marches down the screen as it's rendering. And then we get all of this nice parallax effect and everything like that, which really does look quite nice. So it's always a nice surprise when the Commodore 64 can render stuff like this with, obviously the help of the extra graphics hardware. Let's go back to the title screen. So I'm going to reset this. There we go. Oof. And then I'm going to press A again. Here we go. And we go back to the title screen. There we go. Well, isn't that great? So I've just reset it. Let's go back again. There we go. Cool. So thank you very much for watching these crazy videos. If you like the electronics work that I do, or the retro computer game programming stuff that I do on the Commodore 64, then please do like and subscribe, and I hope to catch you next time. Have a great day wherever you are. One more short little update before I forget. I want to say thank you to Badgeman from the Retro 8-bit shop for supplying these lovely printed badges here. This large badge goes very neatly on the side of the box, which kind of just about fits the back plane of all of these boards all together. Looks rather lovely. He also does these lovely little gel badges as well, which are all nice and shiny and have a nice little bubble effect. So yes, thank you very much. It makes the project look a lot neater, and also a very easy to carry box, because all of these boards are extremely heavy and they're sharp underneath with lots of spiky legs, so it's much easier to carry when it's inside this nice, neat box. So thank you again, Badgeman, for supplying these wonderful looking badges. Lots of different sizes.